This is a new extended-length GMC van with a 155-inch wheelbase. It is configured with the standard Butler System, packages 1, 2, and 3, and some optional equipment. First, we see the trademark Butler instrument panel. Some of the Butler System standard features include the detergent injection system, standard vacuum blower, high-pressure pump, and heat exchanger, which are all underneath the equipment shroud. Package 2 introduces the 110-gallon freshwater holding tank, shown here in the mid-mount floor plan. Package 3 includes the pressure hose and vacuum hose reels. This unit has an upgrade to the electric vacuum hose reel, which features a flexible remote switch, storage capacity for 200 feet of vacuum hose, and a permanently lubricated gear drive motor. The pressure hose reel features storage capacity for 200 feet of high-pressure hose, a drag brake for tension adjustment, and a brass quick disconnect for easy removal of pressure hose from the reel. This unit has an upgraded 14-inch 5-jet double-bend floor wand. The hose guide and security door also come standard with the Butler System. These allow you to close and lock the vehicle while the machine is in operation, which helps in operating in extreme temperatures or to assist in noise reduction. Now let's have a look in the cargo area. Package 1 includes massive storage options. First, we see storage containers are installed on both rear doors. In this mid-mount floor plan, Package 1 also includes 2-tiered aluminum storage tray units on both sides, which are perfect for storage of air movers and other large items. You are also able to see the standard 110-gallon recovery tank on the left and the 110-gallon freshwater holding tank from Package 2 on the right. On the lower left, we see the new and improved automatic pump-out system option, which features a clear bowl filter strainer to reduce debris entering the pump and a flow rate of approximately 8 gallons per minute. The optional stainless steel inline filter recovery system is conveniently located at the rear door opening. It filters debris before recovered water enters the recovery tank. This concludes our tour. Please feel free to call our sales department with questions about this configuration.